The production process of high-quality almond milk is complicated and requires multiple steps. It all starts with the almond tree. Once almonds have matured, they are harvested using mechanical tree shakers. These machines shake the almonds loose, which are then collected and sent to the factory for processing. The first step at the factory is cleaning the almonds. They're washed thoroughly to remove dust and any residual debris. After washing, the almonds are sorted by size and quality to ensure that only the best almonds are used for milk production. Once sorted, the almonds are blanched. This means they're soaked in hot water to soften the skins, making them easier to remove. After blanching, the almonds are peeled, leaving behind the smooth almond kernel. The next step is grinding. The peeled almonds are ground into a fine paste. This is the base of almond milk, and the finer the grind, the smoother the final product will be. To turn almond paste into milk, it is mixed with water. The water helps to extract the natural oils and flavor from the almonds, creating that smooth, creamy texture that almond milk is known for. After mixing, the almond water mixture is filtered to remove the remaining almond pulp. What's left is a pure, silky almond milk. The pulp is often repurposed as a byproduct for other uses, such as almond flour. To make almond milk nutritious, many manufacturers fortify it with essential vitamins like calcium and vitamin D, which are typically found in dairy milk. This is also where different flavors like vanilla or chocolate are added to enhance the taste. Sweeteners such as cane sugar or natural flavors are mixed in to suit different preferences. Next, the almond milk is homogenized. This process breaks down the fat molecules, so the milk has a smooth, uniform consistency without separating over time. After homogenization, the almond milk is pasteurized. Heating it to a specific temperature kills any harmful bacteria and ensures that the milk stays fresh for a longer period. Finally, the almond milk is packaged. It's poured into eco-friendly cartons or bottles, sealed and labeled with nutritional information and expiration dates. The making of soft biscuit in factory begins in the mixing room, where key ingredients like flour, sugar, butter, milk, and leavening agents are combined to form the biscuit dough. The secret to a soft biscuit lies in the perfect ratio of these ingredients. Industrial mixers ensure the dough is blended evenly, creating a smooth, consistent texture. This step is critical. Too much mixing can result in tough biscuits, while too little won't create the desired softness. Once the dough is ready, it's cut into familiar biscuit shapes. Various molds can be used depending on the type of biscuit being produced. Next, the shaped biscuits are transferred to large conveyor belts that move them through industrial ovens. Baking temperatures and times are carefully controlled to achieve the perfect balance of a soft interior and slightly crisp exterior. The baking process causes the dough to rise and creates the fluffy texture we all love in soft biscuits. After baking, the biscuits need to cool before packaging. Conveyor belts transport them to a cooling area where they are inspected for quality. Finally, the biscuits are wrapped in airtight packaging to maintain their freshness. Whether they're destined for local stores or shipped across the country, the packaging ensures the biscuits stay soft and delicious.